Fartlek is a Swedish word that means speed play. This method of increasing your workout intensity alternates running at an easy pace with running at your maximum heart rate. It may be a funny name, but doing Fartlek runs is a serious workout. I'm Dr. Von der Wright. Fartlek is a Swedish word that means speed play. This method of increasing your workout intensity alternates running at an easy pace with running at your maximum heart rate. Fartlek allows you to work out without getting tired because as soon as you reach the upper limit of your maximum heart rate, you immediately slow down to walk or jog until your heart rate recovers. For example, start with a 1 mile jog at 60 to 70% effort. When you reach this point, pick up your speed and run faster until your heart rate reaches 85% of your maximum. Then immediately slow down again until your heart rate returns to 60 to 70%. Then speed up again. Keep alternating slow and fast pace for a set period of time, say 20 to 30 minutes. Not a runner? Fartleks are a great way to work up from walking to running. For more smart exercise advice, watch all our tips.